Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to check your previous live streams on TikTok. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the TikTok app. And then once done, go to the bottom right, tap on your profile. And then just wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead and go to the top right, tap on the three horizontal lines. And then just go ahead over to a TikTok Studio. Tap on it. And once done, you'll have these tabs. Okay, so basically just tap on live. Now in this section, all you gotta do is just go ahead and scroll all the way down. Okay, and find tools and resources. Okay, you can just go ahead and tap on live recordings. And you'll be able to see a list right here of your past or previous live streams. Now, do take note that live recordings are available for only 30 days. You'll be able to see the list right here if it's past 30 days. That's just basically it. That is how you check your previous live streams on a TikTok. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.